You can listen to one vlog all day long. This is the one you should listen to, baby.
All right, man.
Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique. It's fucking awesome. The man behind the camera is the fucking man on
Detail world, what it do, man. We out here at the first appointment. We out here in Franklin, Tennessee, man. We just worked on this GMC Yukon Denali. She got to be gone by 9:30. We got here probably about 8:45. We got the car completely done, so I'm sorry I didn't show you what the car looked like prior to, but I'm trying to get her out here. Right now it's like 9:10, so we actually made great timing. But the car completely done, in and out. We washed the car, did the wheels correctly. We wiped down all the doors. We made sure we vacuumed all the seats. We wiped down the cup holder, wiped down the dashboard, stuff like that. Steering wheel, did all the windows, vacuumed the back, made sure that we got the whole car completely done for her. Even though we did it in a fast manner, we still was able to get it done efficiently because we are so sufficient with our job. Like I said, I've been doing this for so long. And yesterday, man, I went somewhere. I wish I would have took the camera, but it's all good, man. But I definitely met some cool ass people yesterday. I got put on some knowledge, man, and I'm gonna try to apply this knowledge. That's the thing. Taking the things that you know and applying it to your life. Cause we all know things. We all, you know how it go, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Let her know I'm done. Hop in the van. Probably about 20-25 minutes from our next location. After that, we got 2 more stops after the next location. We may have 3 more because I might go do a commercial vehicle for Sinesta Inn. But other than that, man, like always, you know, we take pride in what we do over here, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing. Make sure, man, be consistent, be persistent, be relentless, man. And whenever you're feeling like you not feeling too well, man, if you're not going to therapy, just call somebody, call a friend, call them, you know, somebody that you know that you can talk to get something off your chest. Remember, man, one love, man. We gotta love thyself. I know I usually say that at the end of the video, but I want to make that clear in the beginning, man. Love yourself, man. And on that note, I'm gonna get ready to head to the next stop, man, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do. We made it to the second appointment, man. We are working on this Mercedes-Benz right now out here in Green Hills. And if you look, it definitely needs some work. You look at the brakes, man, that is dirty. You can actually write our name on there. Look. TY. But yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and get the car clean. And if you look at the side of down the road, it's dirty going down the side of the car, so we're gonna make sure we get all the road grime up, clean the car, get the bugs off the side view mirror, things like that. And then, you know, since Tennessee it's like a hackberry over here, if you look, they got all this extra dirt. So this dirt, if you look how hard I got to rub on it to get it off. So, you know, and it's all in all, majority of most of the cracks and crevices too. So, you know what I mean? We definitely gonna have to make sure we clean it real good because it's everywhere. But we're gonna go ahead and work on the exterior of the car first, then work on the interior. We already got everything out except for the pressure washer. Already got the buckets and the things out. Gonna work on the interior. It's a little dog hair in there. I'm going over here to turn off. I'm using a little bit of that water to fill up my bucket. But I used to have a bunch of customers in this neighborhood, but a lot of them moved out. I actually used to do the lady right here next door, but I still do her. She actually moved out. I actually used to do the people that live in the house right here. But their son had caught cancer when he was 16, and financially it messed up their money because I think they said in 1 year they spent over like $600,000 trying to, you know, get them right. I used to do this lady's house right here, but I still do it. I just don't do it as often as I used to. I used to do this older couple down there where all those trees at, like right there. But her husband passed away, so she no longer do the cars. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking in here, man. Do what I gotta do. And I used to do somebody in the front, but she actually moved to Cuba. It was actually their sister. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Oh yeah, let me give y'all a quick glimpse of the interior real quick so y'all can see what the interior of the car look like. Which is not really that bad, but it's bad. But we're gonna go ahead and get in here. It's your typical debris, sticks, twigs, stuff like that. Little dog hair, she keeps a little like Shih Tzu or a poodle type of dog. So if you look, got dog hair on the seats and things like that. So we're gonna get in here and make sure we get it cracking, man. I think this is what is this? This is a 2008 Mercedes-Benz E350 2008. So you can see she kept this car for a while. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Go ahead and get it started because I still got 1, 2, 3, 4 more cars to do today. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We done finished this second car today, man. We got it completely done, man. yeah, we finna go ahead and do one more car here. We actually finna do like a Toyota Prius, pretty small car, so we're not gonna take that long to do it. But I'm finna go ahead and jump on it because, you know, I've got, like I said, a few other cars to do today, and I'm trying to stay on time. But give you a quick glimpse of the interior of the car, what it looked like after the outcome of giving it a good cleaning, things like that. You remember it had dog hair and stuff like that all in here, so we made sure we got it all nice and clean, man. You know, like I tell y'all, we take so much pride in the work we do over here, man. So we are, and you know, this is a main source of my income. So on that note, I always make sure that I do my job correctly. I also make sure I do my job thoroughly because I definitely want the repeats, and I definitely want my regular customers to tell their friends, their moms, and whoever else, you know. But on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the next car. It's a Toyota Prius. Probably won't take that long because it's rarely dirty in the inside. It's a lady who owns this car, 89 years old, and don't nobody ever be in her car but her. And plus, she's been out of the country for over 6 months. She's been in Cuba for 6 months, and she's actually coming home tomorrow. Her daughter's going to pick her up. And they got a car over there. So we're finna go ahead and grab it, knock it out, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We working on the third car today right now, which is this Toyota Prius. This got to be like a 2008, 2010, something like that. But the interior of the car, I thought it wasn't that dirty. It got a little bit of more debris in here than I expected. I guess since she's been out of town, they probably been driving her car. But we're gonna get in here and vacuum and make sure we get it nice and clean, wipe down these seats, getting the cup holders, you know, get the carpets, wipe down the upholstery, cup holders. I mean, you know, things like that, dashboard. So we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. The exterior of the car, it's a great car, so it really wouldn't take long to really get it clean. And then I guess when I'm done, I'll put it in the garage. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man, because I can get to my next stop on time. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finish this third car today, which is this Toyota Prius, man. We got the car completely done in and out. You know what I mean? We already got it vacuumed. We already got the windows clean. You know, we got the car looking great. So we're about to go ahead and put it in the garage. You know what I mean? And head to our next stop. We still got 2 more cars to do. So on that note, man, stay dedicated to the process, man. Remember, it takes time, but time is all we got. So on that note, like always, man, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to the next stop. We out here still in Green Hills, Burton Hill, Bell Mead area. Right now we doing this Mazda CX-9. We already worked in the interior because, you know, I still got one more appointment to get to. I'm just trying to stay on time. So I got in here and knocked it out. But it was plenty of dirt in here. You know, I mean, the seats was completely covered in dirt. Everything was completely covered, man. But we got the car looking good. Got everything, you know, looking up to par. Seats, carpets, everything. So we about to go ahead and wash the exterior of the car real quick. You know what I mean? So we can get to our last stop, which is a BMW X3. It don't really take that long to clean, but I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, man. So on that note, like always, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do. And on that note, man, peace. All right, detail world, we finished this last car, BMW X5. She gotta go. So y'all already know how we do it. Car came out great. We about to head home for the day. So like always, man, one love. I actually cleaned my van too. If y'all look, it's a little clean. I actually cleaned my van too, because you know this thing was dirty. But I actually gave it a nice clean. But like always, man, on that note, one love and peace.
You can listen to one vlog all day long. This is the one you should listen to, baby.
All right, man.
Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique, it's fucking awesome. The man behind the camera is the fucking man.